I'm Keegan Gerhard. Now you probably know this has been marketed for years as sort of an a la minute ice cream sorbet gelato machine. But I'm here to show you the basic operation of it, and I'm going to make some hints towards a bunch of other things that a Pacojet can do, so pay attention. So it's a simple little machine, very concise, very small footprint. On-off switches on the side here. Turn it on. I leave it on all day for my production. This is what brings your product ultimately in these little custom beakers to be Pacotized, if you will, for production. Now what you need to know, this doesn't make your ice cream sorbet gelato base. What it does is it turns the ice cream, spins the ice cream, if you will, we call it, right? Pacojet calls it Pacotizing the product. So it's a really simple operation, something I love about it. Power light is on. Now we bring our Pacotizing blade to the machine. Now look at the way this is designed. It's so simple. Blades that shave, as this blade spins at 2,000 RPM and goes down, and then you see that wing shape of the second blade that aerates the product as it comes up. Lock it into this gasket and bring it to the machine. Now it's magnetic, it's easy to insert. You hear that little click, it's locked in place. You never want to put this blade on the beaker, you always put it on the machine and then bring the product to the Pacojet. So let's start with something simple, a little chocolate gelato. This is really just a neutral gelato base. You could make your own or buy a mix, doesn't matter. Melted chocolate bars, and voila, you got it. You put it inside, you freeze it solid. We like at least -4 degrees. Bring this to the machine, yeah? Handle about 2, 3 o'clock, bring it up. When I bring it forward to 6 o'clock position, you see the ready light come on. It won't process without the ready light on, so make sure that's in place. Now once I have the machine set to go, if I'm in a hurry, run the whole beaker, I just hit start. It processes everything. If I want to do part of this beaker, and why would I want to do that? Because I want to have it fresh for the entire service. Listen, vanilla ice cream, chocolate gelato. I run the whole beaker. I might have to do 3, 4 a night. An oddball flavor, maybe I only do a little bit a night. I can simply select the portion size I want up to 10. 10 is the whole beaker. Now one portion is about 100 grams, about 3.5 ounces. It takes about 20 seconds to process one portion, about 3.5, 4 minutes to process the entire beaker. So some simple math will tell you, you want to do 10 flavors, you can do 10 flavors, over 10 liters of product in well under an hour. And while it's processing for those 3.5 to 4 minutes, you can walk away and be doing other things. So I'm going to just go back up to 5, process half my beaker. Here we go. Now, immediately an indicator light that the blade is coming down to the product. When it feels the resistance, voila. All the LEDs are lit up. It sees that the container is full. It's beginning to Pacotize. As I said, it takes about 20 seconds to process one portion. And when that portion is done, you'll see one light begin to blink and flash. Now that's important. There you see it. One is done, 5 more portions to go. Why is that important? If I'm busy working, someone else comes to the machine, doesn't know what's going on. Oh, he had it set for 5, I guess. One's already done, 4 more are working. Well, guess what? What if we need that product right now and we don't want to wait 60 more seconds? Very simple. 2 are done. I hit stop. Indicator indicates that the blade is coming off the product. Not a problem. Now this is the aeration process. Air is building up. Listen. That's a little bit of the overrun. The default for this machine is approximately a 35% overrun. You can adjust that a bit by holding this button or pulsing this button as the aeration happens when the Paco blade goes up. We'll talk more about that later. Now you can see if I were just to come back, 2 portions processed. I didn't do the last 3, doesn't matter. I hit cancel and I remove the machine just the way I put it on. From 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, drop it down, remove the blade. Very easy to remove. Now check it out. This is what I'm talking about. This is where we see the potential for 100% yield. In the middle, rock hard chocolate gelato product that's not been processed in any way. Up top, chocolate gelato product, smooth, silky, creamy, like pudding. And then every time you process it, it'll be that way. It's perfect.